From Daily Forex, this is Chris, and I'm taking a look at Bitcoin. And you can see another day, another $230, I guess. So we rolled over again, about 3%. You can see this is a major descending triangle that still hasn't broken one direction or the other. It's still forming, but as long as that's the case, you have to have a negative bias. We break through the downtrend line, then fine. 7,500 is basically where we're looking at to break through. If we break through, say over here at 7,000, then yeah, maybe we go to 7,500, then 8,250, then 10,000. Those would be my targets. However, and I've posed this question before, if this were a stock chart of, I don't know, insert company name here, what would you do? Would you be a buyer or a seller of this? I mean, that's how I'm looking at this. And unfortunately, I see far too much in the way of passions and, but yet this time it's different. No, this isn't a scam. And I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying that people are blinded by the cult of personality here. They're not paying attention to what the charts are saying. At the end of the day, the only thing that matters is price. If you own 1 million Bitcoin and they go to zero, you don't own anything. And that's something that you need to pay attention to. So we are definitely getting close to a point of inflection here because we need to resolve this triangle. One of three things can happen. We can either break above the downtrend line, like I mentioned, and then when we'd have a couple nice targets. If we break down below 5,800, which is the bottom of the zone of support, we're going to go to 5,000 quick. And that is only going to be psychological support. If you measure the triangle, it measures for a move to zero. I don't know that's where we're going. I'm not willing to say that, but that is what it measures to. Um, I'm sure somebody will have something to say about that, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. Ultimately, this is a bearish chart. That hasn't changed. Selling rallies has worked since, basically the middle of January. We've yet to have a higher high. So this is about as bearish as it gets. The one thing, of course, is a support level. So everybody in the world's watching that. If it gives way, good night, Gracie.